Yeah, and it's interesting because it's a funny thing because I've been doing this for a while. Like I said, I've been doing photography for like what, 15 years now. My whole career, I had to defend myself that it's not all Photoshop, that it's not all, oh, it's all Photoshop. No, it's not. Now I have to prove people wrong that it's not all AI. Um, and I remember when I just started doing photography, I was very young. I just got my first camera and I'm a girl, and my parents thought that this is just another waste of money. My friend thought that this is just another, hobby. Other photographers thought that I'm just a cute, stupid girl with a camera, So I had to prove them all wrong. And I'm hoping that this is the same thing is going to happen with AI. That as humans, we're still not, replaceable. Um, so I don't know. I survived all that, so we'll see.
It's actually very it's interesting that you said that. It's a funny thought. I hadn't thought about that, but it's totally true. People used to say, "Oh yeah, this is all photoshopped," and it was almost like you're not worthy or you're not worth as
Exactly.
much as
Oh,
somebody
it's
who
not
did it in
photography, it's all photoshops.
yeah, it's not real
And now
photography.
suddenly Photoshop is cool again.
Well, it's a weird thing, isn't it? Because it's like, 5 years ago, if you used Photoshop, it'd be like, "Oh, you're not a real photographer because you're using Photoshop."
Exactly. I got
Now
that
it's
wrong.
like "Oh, it's all AI." And you say like, "No, I'm a Photoshop artist." So now you're an artist because you use Photoshop. It doesn't none of it makes any sense, So it probably just actually just proves exactly what you said earlier. Just follow your heart, do what you think is the right thing for you to do, enjoy it, and enjoy the process. That's
Exactly.
ultimately it.
I'm not gonna lie, I struggle as a creative. I struggle a lot with, all things creative, what I'm doing, why I'm doing this, why do I even bother? Because the machines are not doing it for me, and with all the social media algorithm, oh, nobody sees my work anymore. I'm pretty sure everybody's experiencing that now. That Instagram is not a photo app anymore. It's all about stupid videos and fun reels. So it's not like I've struggled a lot with motivation and inspiration in recent years, and with all the events that is happening in the world. It's hard. I'm not gonna lie. Being an artist is hard. There's a lot of struggling and self doubt and questioning. Um, but in the end, I guess that's you do it because you just have to. That's all you do.
Exactly. Absolutely. So this is uh, this is something I've because I had a career in music, and music is really very similar, to visual arts in the sense that it's a creative process, and you start with nothing, and then you go through a process, and then you end up with something. So it's the same thing. You there's nothing there. You have an idea, then you work on it. You go through a process where you write stuff, and then you record stuff, and then you end up with a piece of music. It's exactly the same creative
I've been in
process.
music actually, so I know what you're talking about.
Oh, cool.
I used to be in a band, and I finished a musical school in a class of guitar, classical guitar.
Hey, awesome. So I did contemporary guitar, but same thing. There you go.
And I was in a rock band for a few years, so
Hey, high five.
mm.
Cool. Awesome. Right. Next time we meet at WPPI or imaging, we need to get some guitars and do some
Yeah, let's
jamming.
talk music.
Yeah, awesome. Well, I know a few other people who are musicians actually. Gary, it's a good example.
I've never been a professional musician. It was just fun. We were young, playing rock,
Yeah,
heavy
awesome.
metal. It was just fun.
That's the thing. So, but it's it's still the same, it's the same process, when you're the creative process is the same no matter what it is that you do, whether
Yeah,
it's
absolutely. It's
whether
just
it's
different
music.
medium. Just a different medium.
Exactly. And so I think and I remember, being asked this a lot back then. It's like, why do you do this? Like, as a musician, you don't earn a lot of money, it's
Mhm.
what is the
You
point? Like
struggle,
you
yeah.
yeah, you struggle, da da da, people don't listen to it, they don't buy the record, whatever. And the answer is really that, I think as a creative, you're just simply compelled to create, and that's the thing. Ultimately,
You need some kind of creative outlet.
you
That's
yeah.
you have to do this.
And it's great when, people appreciate the work, obviously, because
Mhm.
hopefully it gets you to the point where you can pay the bills and stuff.
Yeah, it's because people always see the end goal, and I struggle with it too. Like I always, not always, but I also aim for some kind of end goal, and if it doesn't happen, it's frustrating and upsetting. For example, of course, I'm sure, like, as not maybe not all creative, but the majority of creatives want their work to be seen and appreciated, right? We don't do just something to put in our pockets for it to now be seen. We want it to be seen and appreciated, right? So if that doesn't happen, especially now with like all the social media, a lot of people are struggling because nobody sees their work anymore, right? And same as with me, like my engagement went like downhill. And I struggle with that if nobody sees my work, what's the point of doing it, right? But then in the end, you remember that you enjoy the process. It's just fun, right? Because it's not the life isn't about money or, achievements. Those things are very nice, of course. We want those, but it's also we need to have some fun in the process.
Well, exactly. And also, I always think like, when I'm on my deathbed and somebody asks me, what have you actually done in your life?
Mhm.
At least I can say, I've done that, you know?
Right. It makes you an interesting person. You have something to talk about when you just, live your life, make money, exactly what you said in your deathbed. What are you going to remember? Well, sure, you're going to remember your family, maybe your travels, but it's also nice to be actually doing something and tell people, oh, I'm doing this and that. And that makes you an interesting person, I think.
Exactly. And it's just a matter of, even if even if everybody around you tells you it's worthless or it's not going to make any money or, what's the point? Because people don't understand. If you yourself feel compelled um, to create an image or to create a video or either to write a piece of music because it's good for your creative soul, then what the heck? Just
Right. Right.
do it anyway. I mean, that's always the thing.
Worst case scenario, you can get a real job and, just keep it as a hobby. There's nothing wrong about it.
Absolutely.
That doesn't stop or that doesn't, if you have, let's say, a full-time job, it doesn't mean you're not an artist, right? It doesn't
Exactly. And it also doesn't make you a
if
bad
you're not
person.
making money doesn't mean you're not an artist. You're an artist because you create.
Exactly. That's exactly it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed that clip, then press here for the full episode in glorious Technicolor. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe.